Hello guys, welcome back to LearnApp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Phantom Wallet Chrome extension. So if you're trying to use Phantom Wallet into your Chrome extension here, this one is fairly simple. So you want to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser here. You want to go to URL, just type in the following, which in this case is going to be Phantom Wallet. Now, in here, you want to look for the official webpage here for Phantom Wallet, just to give you some idea here on where to actually get it. So it's really important to get this from their official webpage. Now, in here, the first thing that you notice, it's going to advertise here on basically getting it on your browser. So you could just basically click on the download for Chrome here, or you could just click on download at the top right, just in case this doesn't appear. But in here, you need to install this from the Chrome Web Store. Let's go and click on Add to Chrome. Just click on Add Extension. And that's really it. So if you want to install this, you just need to wait for a few seconds. But once it's actually installed, you should be able to access the wallet itself. Now, it might ask you to log in into your account here. So if you already have an account, go ahead and do that. Create a new one if you want. If you already have a wallet here, you can go and click on I have already a wallet. So you can choose either ways here. So in this case, you can go and click on continue with email or create a seed phrase wallet. But in this case, you go and click on create seed phrase. So continue wallet here. And from here, choose your Google account. If you want to, just use your Google account here. So it's actually pretty good. Like if you log in or sign in with your Google account, in this case, you'll be able to save whatever you have here. So you need to secure your wallet here. So in this case, you want to create your PIN. So go ahead and just secure your account here, create your PIN. But yeah, once you've created your account here, how do we access Phantom Wallet? So at the top right on Google Chrome, you have this extension icon. Go ahead and click on it, and you just need to pin Phantom Wallet here so that you can access it every time or anytime you want. Now in here, you can go ahead and click on Phantom Wallet, and this is where you will be able to start using it. Now, using Phantom Wallet is pretty easy. So the main features that you can do here is you can receive, you can send, and even swap, and even buy crypto within the wallet itself. So, by the way, this is the homepage here. This just shows you the general information about your wallet, like how much you currently hold for Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon, or even Bitcoin here. And you could also view the accounts or collectibles you have, like if you have NFTs, if you want to swap here, and basically do see your activities and even discover other crypto out there or tokens. So yeah, so generally speaking, if you want to receive crypto, just choose receive here and choose your wallet. So I'm assuming you already you know the basics here for crypto. So if you don't know how crypto works, what are networks and what are addresses and what are wallets, I would suggest you to first learn more about those first before using Phantom Wallet here. But generally speaking, this is where you'll be able to see your wallet or your addresses. So each of them is using specific networks. Like for example, the Solana address here uses the Solana network. Otherwise, like for example, if you do see like different like crypto here, this is an example. We have two versions for Bitcoin here, or two networks for Bitcoin. So one uses the Taproot network and the other uses the native SegWit. But if you don't see that, like for example, we have Solana, Ethereum, Base, and Polygon here. Generally speaking, they use the network they are based from. So Solana uses the Solana network here, Ethereum uses the Ethereum network, Base uses the Base network, and Polygon uses the Polygon network. So you can just either click on the copy button here to copy the address, or you can go and click on the QR code here if you want to see the QR code for your address. So some wallets actually support sending via QR codes, so you could go and just start sharing those if you want. Now, if you want to send crypto, just click on send here and choose whatever crypto that you want to send. But obviously, you need to have a specific amount first before you can send. So since I don't have any here, I won't be able to send anything. But yeah, so you just need to enter your Ethereum address here and the amount that you want to send. So you can go ahead and do that. And just click on next and confirm the transaction itself. Now, swapping is kind of different. It's like sending, but it's sending it to your account instead. So for example, if you currently have like Solana right now in your wallet, you can convert or swap that for USDC. So the prices varies here. So we all know that crypto is actually volatile, so it changes a lot. So this case, just be aware of that. So you might swap for your Solana right now. The prices will be different tomorrow or even an hour from now. So that's how volatile crypto is. But yeah, so in this case, if you want to hold like USDC or any other crypto out there, you can go ahead and just swap them for your wallet here in the section here. Now, if you want to buy crypto or funds here, you just click on buy in your homepage, and you can buy either Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or other available tokens here. You can even search for one if you want. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you use Phantom Wallet here. Those are the general things you need to know here to get you started. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulanap. Thank you for watching.